We knew as soon as we moved here that we had to do major renovations. We contacted Mast Builders in January of 2024. They started the project in July. We completed the project the week before Thanksgiving, which was also what they had promised. We could have Thanksgiving with our family in our new kitchen.
It's just a good experience, fairly painless in something like this. If people have lived through a major remodel, they know what it's like.
The project was extensive. We remodeled the entire kitchen, primary bath. In remodeling the kitchen, we had to move and recreate a powder room and a closet. We wanted the laundry room renovated as well. So all of those things were part of the project.
Yeah, so there's a considerable amount of demolition to be done, with the walls being moved. And then we also had the issue with exposed beams in the kitchen, and we didn't want to lower the ceiling. So Daniel suggested we'll remove the beams and install new beams up above the ceiling so that they will be hidden, which made a huge difference.
We have a pretty specific taste. We are more modern in our taste, and so we were making decisions around flooring and tiling that were unique to us in our design. I was on a business trip, and they had started to lay the floor in the bathroom, and I got this picture saying, is this really what you want? The tile guy wants to know, is this really what you want on the floor of the bathroom? And you want it in the shower too? And I said, yes, that's exactly what I want. In terms of the finished project and the most satisfaction.
Definitely the kitchen.
Yeah.
It was just horrible to start off with. Now it's a beautiful kitchen, as everybody can see.
By far, the kitchen is what we're the proudest of. We've had Christmas and Thanksgiving here with our daughter, and it's just so nice to use.
You look out the window and you see this view, which wasn't half of what it was before. We increased the size of the opening, so that was a nice feature.
We lived here through the project. Every day when they would come in, they were cleaning up after themselves because we had to live in the house.
With the small crew that he has, watching them work as efficiently and as effectively as they did was huge. And also having that smaller crew, you saw the same guys constantly, which makes it a lot easier for people to deal with.
I would say absolutely talk to them, look at what they can do for you. They are knowledgeable. The work crews are very good at what they do. They are trustworthy. In fact, they're talked about all up and down the street because they've done so many projects in the area and everyone has a positive review. It really was like becoming a little part of the Mast family.